Now I'm going to share with you few tips to make a better WordPress website. These things are following last couple of years and these are really effective. Okay. So the first thing I notice here, images. Whenever I upload a new image in my WordPress website, I try to compress the image or I try to WebP image. So if you search on Google like compress image, then you'll get a lot of website in there for compressing your images. So you can use any of this website, but I personally use teeny PNG like this one. So you can simply upload here your image and then you can tell them like which format you want. Let's say you upload a PNG image, but you also like to get the same image into WebP and PNG so that you can check it out like which file it looks better, which quality is good. Then you can use it onto your website. Okay, just simply put it down there. Or if you just going to use a different website, then you can do it. Let's say PNG to WebP like this. If you just search on free, then you will get this freeconvert.com, this website. This website is also good. I use many times this website for doing, like convert my images to PNG to WebP. So this is also good. So you can try these, both of this website, Tiny PNG and like freeconvert.com, this one, or you can search in Google to find out in your website. Next is like take backup before doing experiment. So since you're a new person in WordPress, definitely you don't know all of these steps, right? And when you watching YouTube videos, they're showing, okay, exactly looks correct. But when you try a new website, your website is broken or your website is not working. You cannot reach out. So that's why when I was learning WordPress that time, I was like, create a duplicate copy of my website and then create a different subdomain and go there and doing all of my steps, all of this experiment. So you can follow the same thing. So for taking backup in like backup video, I show you in a plugin all in one. You can use this plugin or use another one that I share with you that I was used before. So you can this plugin to make a backup or just make a duplicate of your website. You can use the same plugin to duplicate and then you can do your experiment whatever you want. And if you see that, okay, it's working really fine and it's not gonna affecting anything, then you can do the same changes on your main website. I'm not recommend you to do the changes in main website if you not confident about it or if you don't know about much about it. So I don't really recommend you to do it on your main website since you have a visitor. That's why just create a duplicate website, do the experiment. When you feel okay, then just do the same thing on your main website. So this is you can follow. And the next is like hide login URL and install plugin for spamming bots. This is most important because in WordPress, a lot of spamming bots is there. They automatically gonna create account in your website, or let's say they're gonna automatically comment on your post, automatically they're gonna comment, okay? Automatically they do. So try to install the plugin for spamming bots so that people cannot do comment or let's say they cannot access your login URL, like admin URL. Next is like how to use this keyword, like how to do this keyword for when you just going to add a new feature on your website or you were just confused about it, but you like to learn about more about it, just use this how to. Okay, now let me give an example about that. Let's say example, I like to learn more about WordPress SEO. So let's search here how to do, let's say website SEO. Just search website SEO, then I search here WordPress. Just use this keyword. Then as you can see, they just already recommending me like do this. So as you can see, I got a lot of videos about these. So now I can learn about it and then I can implement it on my website. Okay. So by this way, you can just use this how to keyword to solve any of your issue. Or right now AI come here. So you can go to Perplexity AI. If you just search here Perplexity AI, then you can also write here your issue. You can just tell them, okay, hey, I just like to learn about this, or I like to use this. Just tell me in detail that how can I use it. Just use this tool to learn more. Okay.